welcome to IIJ's virtual second edition powered by GIA. And we have today with us Milan Choksi from Mox Jewels. Also, he is the marketing director for GJPC. So, welcome, Milan, and Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you and everyone else.
Milan, bhai, we start with you, in the season and how the season is going. And are you seeing any changes in customer preferences towards design?
Clearly, there's been a ramp up from where we were in the first 6 months of the financial year. As the festivities started picking up, and everyone's understanding of COVID and what it brings, and the numbers kind of started making sense. There was a little bit of confidence. People saw that there is hope within the next 6 months that there will be a vaccine, and management of the whole virus was pretty good in India. That's when people started stepping out, transactions started happening. Retailers earlier who seemed to be in a bit of a flux like situation where they didn't know what to do, there was clarity. So yeah, business has picked up. It is going to be challenging for some of the retailers who are still operating in the old kind of format. So we saw that a huge kind of shift in thinking post-October. On the international side, I think the US has been very strong, but also other markets like the Middle East in the last 2-3 months have started kind of coming back. The retailers are calling us, there's activity, they're restocking, and more or less the management of the virus in the Middle East has been pretty good. On the design front, there's been a clear kind of demarcation again, like how it's been with retailers, that generics have continued to sell. They just picked a more easy to navigate through medium, so online and mall stores or large retailers have taken a lot of that business away probably, but generics have continued to do well. And there's also been a very interesting kind of growth in fine jewelry and couture, because people have not spent on travel or some of the other accessories that they would normally spend on when they would step out and socialize. There was more disposable income available to kind of purchase jewelry, and I think there's ample opportunity in the next 6-8 months for Indian businesses to really kind of capture this this mood that the consumers are in, to kind of stock up on.
Milan bhai, IIJ's virtual launched in October last year, with a lot of innovation which GJPC put forward in the market and people accepted it. But with a lot of learnings now from the first edition, the second edition is coming up in January now this week. So what are your expectations from that, and what would your advice be to the buyers as well as the sellers?
The second edition is a much smarter, leaner, much better looking version. Also, the exhibitor and the visitor are now clear on how to navigate and operate, this platform. Like I said, businesses have become leaner in this last 10 months, where people have cut down all the excess inventory, and they've learned on what they need to focus on. So, the virtual platform that GJPC has developed gives the opportunity to the exhibitor to kind of, show only that core product line stuff that they're really good at doing. Of course, there are some who are good at, large houses, good at everything, but for even small exhibitors or new businesses, it's a very good platform to kind of reach out to a host of retailers from all over the world who can connect from anywhere that they are, and with all the tools that are available, understand your business, have a conversation, look at your pieces, ask for information, and then how one closes is really up to the exhibitor and the buyer. But I think GJPC has done a fantastic job in kind of creating this platform which can only grow from here. This is going to become a way of life, where it will be efficient, with kind of great infrastructure and apparatus that is now available.
And that is what the feedback also is from the market, that this should happen at least 4 times a year. It brings down the buying cycle. It helps the retailer to really connect one-on-one very seriously from the word go. So there's no, other things happening, networking and all that. So it's very serious business opportunity. So thank you very much, Milan Bhai. And any final word on the season, any advice to the retailers and manufacturers, what they should be doing in design? You are the master craftsman, in diamond jewelry especially. So what happens in 2021? What is your crystal ball grazing?
I wish I had a crystal ball, but I'm a firm believer in focusing on good product and being original, finding your own identity, and finding the right media to kind of communicate all that you're about, what you're about, what your business is about, what your product is about. And with, like I said, with the amount of infrastructure we have today to do that, people should take all the advantage they can, capture all the business there is, because there's a lot of business for India to capture.
Thanks a lot and have a good year, and may this be a far, far better year than 2020, and all the best. Thank you very much.